Check out this Jeep 2019 Cherokee Latitude Plus. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 4 with 7 display, Sirius XM satellite radio, air conditioning, auxiliary transmission, oil cooler and rear window defroster. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.